Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Math for me and you. Let's learn maths together. Hello, in this video we can see what are exponential equations and how can we solve them. An equation where the variable is in its power position is called exponential equation. Some of examples are 2 power x equals 5, 25 power 2x minus 1 equals 12, e to the power 3t is equal to 8. All these type of equations are called exponential equations, and we can see here the variables are in their power positions. Next, solve an exponential equation. If we see this type of sentence, solve an exponential equation, what is the meaning? It means find the value of the variable, and if the variable in its power position, how can we find its value? We are going to practice through some examples. If the question is solve 7 to the power x equals 49 to the power 3, we can see the left side with the base 7 and power x. We have to find the value of x, and the right side is the base 49. But 49 we can write in terms of 7 because 49 is 7 square. Left side of this equation we write same 7 to the power x, but the right side 49 we will change as 7 square and then give the power 3. So 7 to the power 2, again power 3 becomes 2 times 3 6. We can see the left side of the equation 7 power x, and this is equal to 7 to the power of 6 on the right side, same base. That means when we equate, it gives the power also same, x equal 6. So we get the value of x. Next we are going to consider different type of exponential equation. 2 power x equals 19. We want to find the value of x. Here the base is 2 and 19. We cannot change 19 in terms of 2. So we use one of the logarithmic laws, log a power m to the base b is equal to, what we can write? We can keep m, the power, in front of logarithm and write m times log a to the base b. That means we can shift m and write as the coefficient. So when we take logarithm in the given question, we can move x and write as a coefficient of that term. So the step here is we take logarithm on both sides of this type of equation. And see here the left side we take logarithm, it becomes log 2 power x, and the right side is log 19. And I have taken here common logarithm because I can use calculator, that's why. When we take logarithm, x will be in the front of logarithm and it becomes x times log 2 we get. X becomes a coefficient of log 2. And the right side, no change. It is log 19. What is log 2 and log 19? Log 2 and log 19 are numbers. We get their values using calculator. We can use calculator and get the value of log 2. Press log and 2 equals. Then we can see the value is 0.3010 etc. But we take after the point 3 numbers. Log 2 we can take it as approximately equal to 0.301. Next we can find what is log 19. Log 19 is almost equal to 1.2787 etc. So we correct to 3 decimal places. Log 19 approximately equal to 1.279 we could write. Give these values in the given equation. X times, now we write the number 0.301 is equal to 1.279. How can we find the value of x? Just divide 1.279 over 0.301. We can use calculator and get the value, and the value is 4.249. See, here we get the value of x. Next question, we can see this equation, both sides x as its power. So same process we can do. Take logarithm on both sides of the equation. The left side becomes log 4 power x plus 1. The right side log 5 to the power 2x minus 1. And when we take logarithm, the power will move and come in front of the logarithm. So we can write this as the starting term, x plus 1, and keep bracket and write x plus 1 because two terms are there, x and 1. Then times log 4. Same thing on the right side. We can move 2x minus 1 and write as the coefficient 2x minus 1 times log 5. Log 4 and log 5. We can find the value using calculator. What is log 4? Log 4 is equal to 0.602 and this is approximate value. We corrected to 3 decimal place. Also log 5 equals 0.699 and we use these values and then we have to write the next step. X plus 1, same we write and give the value for log 4. It is 0.602 is equal to, on the right side it is 2x minus 1 times 0.699. There is a bracket and a number outside. Distribute the values to each term. We give the value first to x, that means multiply to x, after that multiply to 1. Same thing on the right side. Outside value distribute to inside each term. 2x multiply with the number, also minus 1 multiply with the number. When we multiply 0.602 with x, we get the answer 0.602x plus 1 times number, say 0.602 is equal to, onto the right side, 2x times a number. So first we can multiply 2 times 0.699. It is 1.398. That much x, 1.398x minus 1 times a number, it is minus 0.699. When we look the left side and right side of the equation, there is a term, you can see x term onto the left side as well as onto the right side. Collect the x terms in one side. That means we can keep 1.398x onto the left side. It becomes negative term. When we write 0.602, then the next term coming to the left side as a negative number, 1.398. These are the x terms. So write the numbers after that x. Then we collect the numbers without x and keep on the right side of the equation. So we can move 0.602 to the right side. Already there minus 0.699. We write that number first and then minus 0.602 right along with the first number. Using calculator we can find what is the value. 0.602 minus 1.398. The answer is minus 0.796x equals, same we can find the value onto the right side. It is minus 1.301. Then what is the value of x? X equals divide minus 1.301 over minus 0.796. Then we get the answer. You can use calculator to get the value. Then it is 1.634. So what is x? X equals, minus minus become positive, that's why 1.634. Consider the next equation. It is e to the power 2x equals 2. Here the base is e. On the left side we can see the base e. If the base is e, we consider the logarithm or take the logarithm ln on both sides because ln is a logarithm with the base e. And ln e to the power 2x on the left side and the right side ln 2. ln also logarithm. When we take with the power number, the power comes to the front side. So 2x will move to the front side of the logarithm. Then 2x ln e, and the right side is ln 2. What is that? It is 0.693. What is ln 2 using calculator? Its value almost equal to 0.693. And then what is ln e on the left side? That also we can find, because ln e means it is a logarithm with base e. So we can write ln means it is a logarithm with the base e. After that, ln e means there is e. So we write e. Log e to the base e, logarithm of a number to the same base, equals 1. So what is ln e? Ln e is 1. So 2x times 1 we get on the left side. That means we can write here it is 2x only. And the right side same, 0.693. How to get the value of x? Divide the right side number with a 2. 0.693 over 2. The answer we get 0.347 and 7. So x equals 0.347. Hope you understand what we have studied about exponential equation and how to solve them. If you like this video, please share among your friends and subscribe to my channel. See you with more useful videos. Thank you.